I am CN Kannan from KT Tooling Technologies. We exist in this business nearly about 20 years to manufacture these die casting dies, spares, accessories, and it is used in automotives and medical areas. We are having VM-2 and VM-5 Haas machines. We are a long time associated with Manav Marketing, dealer of Haas machines. Based on the performance of these Haas machines, we ordered one more VF2 to Manav Marketing, which will be delivered on the next week. We are going to order further more machines for coming year. And they are giving very good support in terms of service, sales, and technical support. Everything they are providing for a long time, and we are getting very good accuracy. Acme exhibition, machine tool exhibition, it is happening in Chennai. In this Acme exhibition, Manav Marketing is going to display all the products like Haas, Nakamura, and Chamber machines. Please visit Acme 2025.